Wow, it's been so long since I've eaten a Kit Kat. I miss this. Me too. Give me a piece, please. Keep dreaming. It's not fair. I want it too. It's enough. What? A chocolate fountain? Looks appetizing. We're going to have a chocolate battle. I totally agree with you. It is time to start a new chocolate fountain challenge.
Yeah.
Let's go! Yay! Wow! Look! I got a burger! Great! And I have marmalade eyes! Well, I can't wait any longer. I want to try this burger. But first, we need to dip it in chocolate. It looks cool. Let's see how it tastes. I really love chocolate, but it doesn't go well with a burger. Oh, there are pickles in it. Oh, your face! You got a burger and you're unhappy? Hurry up! I love burgers, but not with chocolate. Well done! Now it's my turn to try my marmalade eyes with chocolate. To make it easier, I'll put it on a skewer. 3 eyes will be enough to start. I wonder how it tastes like. Wow! Looks cool! Wow! This is amazing! Oh, yes! I'm lucky! Oh, you are lucky. Oh, can you share, please? Not this time. Okay. I know. Wait. I have an idea. Look! There's something over there! Where? She's not looking. I'm going to steal a couple of eyes. Hey! Where did my goodies go? Oh, have you seen them by any chance?
Cool.
What? I can't see anything. Where are they? She didn't notice anything. This is yummy.
Yeah.
Okay, while you're playing there, I'll open it. What? Oh no, not broccoli. That's funny. Woo! I have Pringle chips. Let's get started. Oh, please, no. Come on. Oh, that's a huge vegetable. Why do people eat it? It's not food, it's like grass. I don't think chocolate will help it, but I have a great idea. I can take a whole glass of chocolate and pour it on broccoli. It'll be soaked in chocolate.
Awesome.
And I'll also add Skittles. Well, pathetic vegetable, you don't have a chance. And some sprinkles for brightness. Hooray! I got a chocolate tree. Oh, that's disgusting. It didn't help. Oh, poor thing. She tried so hard. It's good that I have chips. They don't need any sprinkles except a bit of chocolate. Wow! Looks nice. Wow! That's really cool! Oh, why is she lucky again? But she's missing some hot Tabasco sauce. Well, never mind. I'll help her a little bit. Adding it to the chocolate fountain. Yay! Wow! I'm going to pour chocolate straight into my pack.
Awesome.
And into my mouth. It's so delicious, but…
Amen.
Why is it spicy? My whole throat is burning! Ah! Oh, not at me!
Oh, man.
Oh, it's gone! Let's see. Oh no! Not the fish! It stinks! I don't want to eat it! What about you? I don't know! Oh, why am I unlucky again?
Oh,
This fish is so slippery. Oh, my pyramid! Who broke it? Oh, it's back again. Okay, the sooner I eat it, the sooner I'll forget about it. What a horror! It's very disgusting. We need to swallow it. Ew. That is so funny! It is your turn. Whatever you say. Wait, I won't be able to pour chocolate over the watermelon. An idea. Karate lessons will help me with this. Wow! Cool! Thanks, it didn't hurt at all. And now I can enjoy chocolate-covered watermelon. We need a huge ladle. I'm sure it will be very tasty. Look at that! Delicious! Wait, it's actually delicious! Well, you definitely need some help, and I'm here to help you.
cool.
Oh, super juicy and sweet! Where's the other half? Oh, you thief! You've been caught! Oh, this combination is amazing! I'm full! Don't do that anymore! You have a chocolate beard! You too?
Yay!
Let's see! Cool! I got a Chupa Chups! I love it! What a stroke of luck!
Awesome.
What is this stink? Oh, don't tell me it's under my cloche!
Oh no.
Show me! No way! Oh no! I got stinky cheese with mold! It's just terrible!
Oh man.
Who even came up with this idea? Oh, it's definitely crazy. I hope chocolate helps me at least a little.
Uh-oh.
Ugh, that is disgusting!
Ew!
What a huge Chupa Chups! Hey, be careful! Did you say something? I'm sorry, I can't hear anything. This strawberry flavor is my favorite one.
Awesome.
And… Whoa! I love it! It's a blast! Oh, can you share at least a little? No! Oh, you're greedy! Well, never mind. I'll teach you a lesson. I'm going to need a gas mask. Plus, a grater. And a cheese board. Let's see how she likes the smelly chocolatey cheese.
Okay.
Oh, yes! Hooray! I want more chocolate! Wait! What's the matter?
You!
Ugh! What's wrong with the taste? And the smell is unbearable!
Oh.
Oh no! Bon appetit! You've ruined everything!
Yay!
Let's see. Whoa! So many Kinder Eggs! It's amazing! I'm so lucky! Let's see what I have! Oh, don't tell me these are raw eggs! I don't want to eat them! You're gonna have to! Oh, very funny! Taking off the wrapper? Hey!
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, yes! Dipping chocolate in chocolate!
Wow!
Let's see what's inside. Yum, yum, yum. Wow, this is double luck. Oh, I'm finally lucky. There's candy inside. Incredible. Oh, that's so awesome. Why don't you treat me? Are you talking about this Kinder? Of course. I'll just eat it first.
Yeehaw!
And adding more chocolate.
Hey.
Do you want some? Yeah! Oh, no way! You'll be lucky next time. Yum! Oh, it's so sad. I have to eat these eggs. Okay, let's give it a shot. But I don't think I like this combination. Yep, I was right. I don't like it. Oh, okay, I'm going to eat a couple more eggs so that everything is fair. Ew. Poor thing. It's good that I have chocolate eggs. Wait, an idea. What if I give my friend a real egg? I think it's gonna be fun. Okay. Putting my plan into action. Let's swap them. That's better.
Awesome!
Oh, moving on to… what? Who did this? Oh, that's disgusting! I have your Kinder. Let's see. Wow, I got French fries. And I have pickles.
Awesome!
Cool. Do you want to switch? Look how delicious they are. No way. I'll eat my French fries. Especially with chocolate. I'm sure it'll be very tasty. Actually, that is weird. That's funny. Well, you didn't want to change. So eat it. It's not funny. I didn't think that French fries could be ruined. I'll add more chocolate and try it again.
Oh, man!
That is so funny! I ate everything. Now let's see how you handle your pickles. Oh, I forgot about them. I don't think it will be good, even with chocolate. It's just a nightmare.
No.
Oh no! I don't want to eat them at all! Go ahead and hurry up. I can't do this anymore. No! Although, we can take a blender. What are you up to? I'll make smoothies out of pickled cucumbers and chocolate. Lots of chocolate. This is just brilliant. Let's blend it all up. And all that's missing is a glass. And of course, a straw. Great! Let's see. Oh, I think I'm going to throw up. Oh no! Oh! Oops! Thanks to everyone who likes and subscribes to our channel. Write in the comments which challenge is your favorite. See you soon, friends.